Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be picking this Schlage model 851226 round body padlock. This is an American style 6-pin core. I have picked this before, I believe twice now. Click on 1. On 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. A feeling as I pull back for anything binding. Maybe pin 1 again. Small click there. False set, what I believe was 3. More of a false set. Counter rotation. Lost a false set. Nope, no I didn't. There we go. Man, really got to push that one. Got it open. All right. Do a quick gut on this. I have not taken this apart. Key bitting. Not bad. Yeah, it's a Phillips, a big Phillips. That is in there. Let me grab a bigger screwdriver. Take a look. Nothing to keep you from bypassing that. Interesting. The key. Not yet. Circlip. Nice. This thing is greasy. Let's see if I can get a shim in here. I don't think I can. There we go. Okay. Very nice. Oh, cool. This has anti-drill protection in it. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and 4 are steel. I believe they're steel, which would make sense given the other anti-drill protection here. Let's take a look inside the Bible here. Again, a steel standard in 1. Spool in 2. Pretty nice spool. Another spool in 3. Another spool in 4. another spool in 5, and another spool in 6. All copper springs, nothing fancy there. I do like that they have added drill protection here. You don't see that all the time. These pins are tiny. Anyway, there's a close review of those. That's all I have for you. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.